we are raising mentally weak children because we overdo for them. One of the concepts in the book I really love is if you do too much for your children, you are increasing your self-esteem by stealing theirs.
Now, in this episode, we are going to talk about resiliency and how are we raising kids nowadays na mentally weak and with a very low self-esteem. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Now, resiliency builds along solving problems. Now, yung basic parenting kasi ngayon is that most of the parents solve their children's problem for them. Ang ending, hindi na-experience ng bata yung totoong cycle ng pagsosolve ng problema. And that includes failure. And most of us are shielding our kids from failures thinking na dapat hindi nahihirapan yung anak ko, dapat hindi siya nagfe-fail, hindi siya nasasaktan. But it goes with yung resilience kasi. Always remember na ang failure is not the opposite of success. It always comes with success, but of course, you need to overcome those failures. And overcoming failure requires mental toughness, resilience, and yung pag-move on doon sa actual failure itself. Now, what happens is when we try to solve the problems of our kids, they tend to forget kung ano yung consequence nung mga bagay na makakalimutan nila or hindi nila magagawa ng tama. Thus, hindi tatatak sa kanila yung masakit na pangyayari tulad ng failure to use it to improve their selves. And most of how it ends is that every time they are being criticized about how sloppy their work is, they tend to be defensive about it. Instead na isipin nila, may point ba yung criticism sa akin? Totoo ba yung criticism sa akin? If it's true, then meaning I need to improve. What they are criticizing about me is not yung pagkatao ko, but the action that resulted to that incident. And yun yung nawawala sa mga kabataan ngayon. Kaya marami ang nadi-discourage na mag-hire ng mga new generations na workers. Kasi nga, may ganun silang ugali. Which, pagdating mo sa real world, it's really very different. Well, naintindihan ko naman yung sinabi ng mga ibang magulang na ayoko nang maranasan nung anak ko yung paghihirap na dinanas ko noon. Well, come to think of it, yung paghihirap na dinanas mo noon is the very reason why you are also successful. And if you are going to shield your kid from those pain, from those lessons, from those traumatic experiences which they can use para i-develop yung sarili nila, then they will not have been able to build a resilient character. Darating yung time na we are not going to be able to shield them from pain, from suffering. Because yun at yun yung mangyayari. Well, it's very typical na mauuna ang mga magulang kaysa sa mga anak. And when that time comes, I want my kids to be stronger than me, to be better than me, to be more resilient than me. And I'm going to build it by letting them experience life itself. Because life is not just happiness, it's not just bliss. It involves all of what we feel. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.